Hey guys, Big Elver Dude 707 here. This is going to be system test number 3, but a different coding. Same as devices as the last video, but in a different coding. It's on March code. And I believe it's 60 beats per minute. So yeah, I'm going to pull it. Please do not pull unless there's a real emergency, but this is in a controlled environment. So I'm going to put the camera down. So here we go. See, that's 60 beats per minute. Let's do signal silence. I'm going to reset the pull station. Get my screwdriver out. And reset it. See if I have any trouble this time. There we go. That was easy. Easier with a thicker screwdriver. So do a system reset. And buzzer silence because it's in common trouble right now. And there we go. That was system test number 3. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.